Hackers often use Python for hacking because of several key features that make it suitable for their needs. Ease of use. Python has a simple and readable syntax, which allows hackers to quickly write and modify code. This is especially helpful when working under time pressure or when testing out multiple approaches to a hack. Extensive libraries. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Scapy, Requests, Paramiko, and Socket, which provide ready-made functionality for tasks like network scanning, packet manipulation, and web scraping. Cross-platform. Python can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it useful for hacking tools that need to be portable. Rapid prototyping. Python allows hackers to quickly prototype tools and scripts without worrying too much about low-level system details, which speeds up the development process. Community support. There's a large community of security researchers and hackers who contribute Python tools and scripts, so it's easy to find resources or collaborate on projects. Integration with other tools. Python can integrate easily with other tools or languages, which makes it a flexible choice for combining different types of hacking techniques.